Installing the rooftop tent took us just 20 minutes, but removing the Pajero's roof rails, that was a whole different project. Half a day of work and a ton of frustration. We were dealing with a factory model. In this setup, the front and rear ends of the roof rails are accessible from the outside, usually under plastic covers. But the middle section? That's where things got tricky. Steps to remove factory roof rails. First, we partially removed the interior headliner, only the section under the rails. Then we unbolted the grab handles. We gently freed the headliner from the door sills, one side at a time. Eventually, we reached the side curtain airbag. Now this part needed extreme caution. We didn't disconnect anything, just gently pushed the airbag aside to access the bolts. Once we got to those hidden center bolts, we unscrewed them. Now for the fun part. After all that hassle, installing the Lonacamp rooftop tent was the easy part. The tent space was mounted using the factory rail holes. Then we added the cross tracks underneath, and that was it.